He Kiwaha I whakahua hia I nanahi e nā ka hiria mai ki tēnei rā tonu. Ko te tūrei tēnei rā e nā kairoto I te teihana mo te whioretanga o te hōtaka te ata ahi tau. Kia ora kia koe, Maria.
Morena. Kia ora, kia ora. Tēnā, ai, koina. I just feel like I just woke up, so that's why I said good morning.
Kei te pai pērā hono after 12 o'clock. Morena kia tātou, oh wait.
Ai, koina, kei te pēhea koe.
Kei te ora pai after the weekend.
Yeah, how was that? It was a bit of you though.
Yeah, no, it was cool. It was good to be out te hoki anō, te mahi aubi.
Kua roa te wā.
Kua roa te wā, ai. Pūrari, korona.
Koina, actually, far out. That's definitely your space though, Ihoa. We've always sort of thought you do really well doing that kind of mahi. It's not my jam. But you know, it's not my team.
I was like, the next invite I'll flicker over to Maria.
Yeah, well, I don't really get placed in those situations because it's not my jam. Meaning, I'm definitely not even close to as good as you are at that. So kamahi to y'all, and all the kids done really mean, eh?
Yeah, the kids did really mean on the stage, and too much to ruatoki, te tahi o te rangi, reo whakakoko, and of course kura ki uta. And all the couples that stood on the Friday, nā kura tuarua, ka pai ki a koutou, e he kouna I eke. But kia tahuri tāua ki tō tāua Kiwaha I tēnei rangi. And te Kiwaha I tiki nātu, used it last year as well, but I brought it back I tēnei wiki, hei whakamahi. Tō hia pai, te hia pai, tana hia pai. Yeah.
Mohi ai ki tēnei. Oh my gosh, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Ever since we've been doing the segment, I've had to kind of dissect it, but I know this one.
Yeah. Okay, so you go, tō hia pai hoki.
Tō hia pai
hoki.
Tō hia, ki tāku, it means, boy, you got the cheek. You got the cheek. Ko wai hoki koe. Tō hia pai hoki.
The nerve of you. Yeah.
The nerve. A koe wi tērā e hia nei ngā tau kimuri. I taku haerenga tu ki tētahi o ngā kura reo o te taurawhiri. And I'm going back to when I was probably about 18 in ho tonu ana ki te Mataua Maui down in Hawke's Bay. And that might have been at Waimarama, I think, because no Waimarama Timoti, karetu. And just memories, eh? Because those wānanga, I went to a few of them 20 odd years ago, but I loved it. Yeah. Loved it. Not only, kicking around with these incredible people, te ao Māori, Rā Horoi Shortland, Waihoroi Shortland. No, let me go back to one second. Yeah. I'm thinking about Rahera Shortland, right? Te Waihoroi, tāna hoa rangatira. And in my mind, though, I can see the face of Kowaitera, Imateia, Te Kraua Notu Hoi. Come on.
5 minutes later.
Oh, wow.
There he is. He's handsome. He was a kraua.
1 hour later.
Do you know what I'm talking about? White hair, fair, handsome man.
Oh my goodness, I can just hear all the aunties that go, come here.
2 hours later.
Te Waihoroi?
Ware.
Katoa. Absolutely, totally. Far out. Shame.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Who is it?
Te Wharehuia.
Oh my goodness.
Te Wharehuia Milroy. All of that, because these are incredible people. Who became very memorable for me. But part of the marautanga was obviously Kiwaha and Kirehu, and Tohia Pai Hoki was one of them.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Te whakaaro ake nei,
aroha mai koro.
Yeah, aroha mai koro. I can hear the whānau right now, kai te tīwaha, kai te tioro, kai te hia kōwiri, taki tarina.
It's just, you know what, Ewa? It's not even anything to do with te kraua. It's the fact that it's just one of those days. Yes, the moon is doing its thing. Yeah. My day started really off my axis since I woke up and opened my eyeballs I tēnei rā. But anyway, tohia pai hoki koe rā ko te Kiwaha. Man, let's give an example.
Well, I was te whakaaro ake te pātai ki a koe. Te pātai ki a koe. Have you amongst your whānau, especially with the boys,
Ai.
whakaaro ake koe a scenario or something that you have to use. Tōhia pai, or
Oh,
that you will
yeah.
use tōhia
Oh,
pai.
yeah. Like this. Te rai o kohi, go and dry the dishes, please. And ko tāna whakautu. How much will you pay me?
Oh, wow. Oh,
He might have used that line once and never again.
never again, eh?
Tōhia pai hoki.
Oh, there we go. That's
Ko
our
au tō
example.
mama. Ko au te kuini o tō au.
How much you going to get paid? Oh, he pereti kai. Pereti kai. He
You've
creamy
been
tō.
paid with your bed and your clothes.
He creamy tō. Creamy undies. Ana. Koina te itu. Koina te itu. He te iwi.
Koina.
Ana, he tauira. Hei whakamahi ake. If you see a scenario i roto tonu i tō haerenga, i tō wāhi mahi rānei, i te kāna, that you need to use tō hia pai, te hia pai, tana hia pai, however you want to use it. Koina.
And you know, on that, and this is the case with colloquial language, is that it is not what it is. And like ko ngā kupu, if you translate them, it's going to make no sense whatsoever.
Yep.
So unless you understand the Kiwaha, the colloquialism, you're not going to know. So if you don't want somebody to know that you're like sitting there snarling at them thinking, you got the cheek, boy. Whakamahia. Tōhia pai hoki.
Yeah.
You know?
Tēnei tonu i go back to last week's one, or the week before, kimi patero. It's not
Ana.
to actually find the fart. No.
It's brown nose.
Brown nose.
Ki kumu.
Koe
Mi patero.
Ana.
Koina.
Koe a tērā te kiwaha e te iwi, kia ora mō tērā Mario.
Right.